This is PC747. We'll continue on with this series of introducing you to how to use your phone. Now let's go ahead and go over camera real quick. You want to take a little picture and you want to send it to someone. So let's go ahead and open your camera. Now your camera app you're going to see. Now for me it's all the way on the right. It's white, got that little blue dot in it, and there's a box that like a camera. So you go ahead and click on that and then pull up your camera. From there, you're going to see a little white dot at the bottom of the screen. And that's where you go to actually take a picture of something. So I'm going to go ahead and put my other phone in the shot and let's take a picture of it. Boom. Boom. Now let's say you want to take a picture of yourself. That's called a selfie. You can do that by switching the camera. And that's to the left of that. Boom. Take a shot. You can also do a video. Now video, if you see to the right of the white dot, you see something like a video camera. Click on that and it'll switch to video mode. And you'll know you actually recording when you click it and you see something popping up. Which for me is not going to allow me to record because I'm actually using screen recorder. Now let's say you want to go back to taking a picture. Click on the picture again. Take a picture. Now once you take your picture, you can see it one of two ways. You can A, go home and go to your photo gallery, which is right here. Or if you're in the camera and you take a picture, to the right you'll see the shot that you just took is already there, so you can actually click on it. And if you want to send it to somebody, you can click on the share button and that will allow you to send it to someone. Now, let's say you take a shot or take a picture of something and you like, you know what, then I'm going to take one. I changed my mind. I don't want that picture. But you can click on it and you're going to see right there where it shows a trash can. Click on the trash can and it'll delete it. Gone. If you change your mind, you can undo it real quick. But let's go ahead and leave it deleted for now.